Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to log out from Ikea. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the bottom of your screen and press on the account section. And after that you can just look in the top of your right corner, press on the settings there, and you can just scroll down here until you will be able to find here the last option on the page, which is log out. You can just press on it and press on logout once again. And after that you are going to be logged out from the application, and whenever you want to log back in you can just press on login and you will be able to log back in with your credentials, or you can just sign up with a different account depending what you want. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.